Hey everybody, Chef Lauren here, and today we're gonna be cooking beef rouladen.
We're gonna start by butterflying it down. Have your butcher do this, you don't need to do this. You're gonna use the smooth side of the mallet first on the first pass, even pressure. Just finish up with that tooth side. We're gonna cut this bacon down nice and small. We're gonna get the onion to match. This is a little trick I learned on TikTok. Add water to the pan dry, boil the bacon fat out, and then render it nice in the pan. Make sure your bacon gets the color and texture you want before you add in that onion to sweat. Pickles to match in terms of size. You want this to be a nice even filling here. We're gonna brush that mustard all the way to the edge of that flank steak. We want it in the sauce a little bit, put a nice healthy layer down there. We're gonna roll it up. Remember how many trusses you put on each one. You do not wanna leave one of these out for one of your guests. Salt and pepper both sides pretty aggressively. The bacon will carry the inside here. You want to get a nice hard brown on this. This is where the flavor is built, just like that. There you go. We're gonna add the whole garlic into the pan. Little bit of mirepoix. It is going to lower the temp of our pan, make sure nothing is burning, and that water from that veg will deglaze. We're now gonna toast the tomato paste in the pan. You gotta toast your tomato paste. A little pan roux, equal parts of butter and flour. Now deglaze again with red wine. It's all about washing that flavor back into the pan. Our pan's not quite big enough, so we're gonna get a little demi, a little water, and then add that roux mix in and whisk it in, bring it up to a boil. Now we're gonna add in a bouquet garni. That's thyme, bay leaves, peppercorns, trussed up in a cheesecloth, thrown right in there. You wanna make sure your rouladen is almost all the way submerged. Here is the moment where you really gotta take it all the way to that nice fork shredding pull right there, beautiful. We're gonna puree the sauce, run it through a chinois à domine. That is a fine mesh sieve, fine mesh sieve. Should coat the back of your spoon perfectly, just like that. This is the texture we're looking for. It's still holding its body for slices, but it's fork tender. I like to serve this with a nice bottom sauce. Show off the work that you did with that nice spiral there. Ah, beautiful. Little sauce on top. Finish with a nice little fine minced parsley. There's other garnishes you can use, but I just wanted to show off the dish here. Oh, it's perfect. See how it's shredding like pot roast, but still has a little body to it.
Let's see what we got here. Okay, we got the texture. The dish is all about that texture as well as that balance of the acid from the pickles coming in like a sauce roe bear with the mustard. I think we did it. Grandma Joyce would be proud.